Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to repair or upgrade your weapons in Stalker 2, and let's get straight into the video. So to keep it short and simple, all you have to do is make sure you are in a town, I guess, and you can go ahead and go over to a technician. So I'm going to use Zelisa as an example. I'm in Zelisa right now, and just make your way over to the wrench looking technician. It should just have the technician underneath the name. Anyways, once you are at the technician, you can go over to him. You can go and talk to him. And then for PC, it's Q. I'm not sure for what's for console, but you want to basically click on upgrade and then go over to whatever weapon you're using, and then it should say repair right here. And it does cost amount, so it's not free. Except, well, yeah, it is not free. And then if you want to upgrade a weapon, you just select whatever weapon you want to upgrade. You click on one of these circles, and then you can go ahead and view all of the upgrades you can do. So I'll just use this for as an example. So return mechanism, sleeve tightener, etc., etc. There's much more, and yeah, that is basically so. That is how to upgrade and repair weapons in Stalker 2. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.